Hi everyone, I want to talk about this Vevor Dehydrator. It's also called a fruit drying machine. This was given to me for testing and review. I was so excited that they sent it to me. We just got done making some venison jerky, also some dried peppers, and everything turned out great. I want to talk about several of its features and why I think this is a good, more higher end dehydrating machine. First off, you have all stainless steel construction. You have the stainless steel trays that are dishwasher safe. This is an 800 watt. You have a fan in the back that blows heat directly on these trays, as you can see in there, and this also rotates. So when you have any kind of meat, vegetables, or herbs or whatever, it's rotating on the tray and the heat is blowing evenly across all those trays. The temperature has a wide range. I believe it's 86 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 195 or 196 degrees Fahrenheit. This is really nice because if you don't want to, you don't have to pre-cook your meat before putting it in the dehydrator. A lot of recipes call for meat to be cooked to a certain temperature. Since this goes up to around 195 degrees, you may not have to do that with your recipe. Here's how to adjust the temperature. You just press on the temperature button, and then you can higher or lower the temperature here. This has a 24-hour timer, so you can set it, go away, and not have to worry about it. This has a nice light feature here. As you can see, it turns on and off and illuminates whatever is inside. It has two power buttons. The main power button is for running the dehumidifier, and then this power button is to turn on or off the rotation, as you can see. Another nice thing about this is it's pretty lightweight. As you can see here, it doesn't take too much effort to take outside. If the weather conditions are ideal, you can do your drying, dehydrating outside so you don't have to get all the smells inside the house. The only thing needed to put this together, pretty much you can use it straight out of the box. I would just rinse out the trays. You have to put this handle on. You just screw it into place. There's two screws there, and you're pretty much good to go. It also comes with a drip tray on the bottom. And you can see here that it's actually it stays very clean. I didn't get anything on the sides. The drip tray caught everything on the bottom. I just have a few things to clean up on the rails here. Other than that, it stayed really clean, minimal cleanup. You have to check and see if this height fits in your dishwasher. Otherwise, you'll have to hand wash them, so that's something to think about. It also comes with these silicone grabbers to grab the trays when they're hot. It also comes with these drying meshes. I haven't used them yet. And these silicone fruit roll-up sheets that you can play around with and experiment with fruit roll-ups. I'm very happy with this dehydrator so far. I feel like it's higher end than a lot of them that you see out there, especially with the options for how high you can go in temperature. The rotary fan in the back that blows heat evenly across all the trays, and the rotation feature that I just mentioned. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.